Samsung Note 10 Plus, the big one. Review and unboxing right here. Greetings, welcome to this unboxing and review. Please don't think that I'm this boring, but for the sake of professionalism and the need for a straightforward review, I am just going to say my opinion on this phone as it is. So the time has finally come to unbox the phone. Ta-da! There's the phone. This is the back of the phone. I've put on the clear cover that comes with the phone. And as you can see, it looks really nice. The rest of the stuff that comes with the phone is a USB Type-C AKG tuned headphones, some pen nibs for the stylus, and there's a charger obviously that comes with it, but it says super fast charging, which is pretty cool if you ask me. Some background information before we get onto the phone. Yes, I get it's a new phone and everything, but I don't expect it to be revolutionary. Like when phones went from the BlackBerry to the smartphone, it's not going to be that revolutionary, it's just going to be an update. Apple's phones have quite frankly looked the same. The iPhone 6, 7, and 8 look identical, and the iPhone X, XS, 11 and 11 Pro also look the same. At least Samsung doesn't copy and paste, and they want us to know that they have some sense of creativity. I've owned a Note 3, Note 5, Note 8, and finally my Note 10 Plus has arrived. My first impression of this phone was how big it is. And the selfie camera floating in the middle of the screen is really quite clean. It's really neat. This new color is called Aura Glow. It's quite mesmerizing. It's like staring into a mirror of rainbows, and it looks really expensive. The phone is as thin as I expected it to be. When you turn on the screen, it's quite an immersive experience as the wallpaper is subtle and it works closely with this huge screen to absorb every last ounce of your attention. There's also now a raise to wake feature I shall demonstrate, and a double tap to wake feature, which I have disabled. I have to say that the wallpaper isn't as nice as the Note 8 wallpaper, because if you know, that one there, it made you feel like you're in outer space. But anyway, it's good enough. So, things I like about the phone. At the back, there aren't just 2 or 3 peasantly cameras. There are 4 cameras. It looks so baller. There's this new super fast charging kit. I kid you not, it literally says super fast adaptive charging on the charger, and it charges this phone here in 30 minutes, and you can still use the phone for a full day. There's this new awesome Dolby Atmos sound system, which is quite frankly the best sound system I've ever heard on a phone. I shall show you. If you can see at the bottom here, it says Dolby Atmos. If you click that, it'll activate the sound system. Cool. I think it's even better than the iPhone 11 Pro's sound system. It's so amazing. But the best thing about this phone is when you watch YouTube. Have a look at what the YouTube experience looks like on this amazing phone. Wow, look at it. It's so clear, and the picture spans the entire length of the screen. It's literally just as nice as that lady, you know. And please don't tell my parents I said that. Oh yes, I forgot to mention, this phone has, wait for it, 12 gigabytes of RAM. In comparison, the iPhone 11 Pro only has 4. Pfft, how pathetic. This phone is so powerful, it can download 20 gigabytes per second. Just imagine, it's just crazy. Things I don't like about this phone. The only thing I don't like, rats, is it doesn't have a heart rate sensor. That's literally it. I love everything about this phone. The camera quality, it's a cut above the rest. I'll demonstrate to you. The camera fills the entire screen of the phone and it shows great depth. I can't show you this now, so I'll have to make a separate video about that. The S Pen experience is literally the best stylus experience I've ever experienced on a phone. It's very sensitive to pressure, and it's very precise. There's new like gestures and stuff. You can do the S Pen, you can do air gestures and stuff, but I'll also include that in the camera video in case you want to see that. So I would sum up this Note 10 Plus as quite a few cuts above the rest, and don't think that this is it. I'm going to make a few more videos about the experience of this phone. This was just an exclusive summary and review of my experience with the Note 10 Plus so far. So I hope you have a good day further, and I'll check you in another video. Please subscribe if you want to check the other videos on this lovely phone, and maybe I'll even do more phones, or I don't know, you tell me.